How much of your day goes into explaining things you've already explained before? With FlowShare, it starts with a single click. Record any workflow, desktop app or browser, and every step is captured automatically. Every step comes with a description already written, but it's fully yours to fine-tune. Adjust the wording, add detail, or make it sound exactly like your team. Got colleagues abroad? Translate the entire flow into their language so nothing gets lost when knowledge crosses borders. Working with sensitive data? Blur it out in a click. Customer details, prices, anything private, before it ever leaves your machine. Rearrange steps anytime with a simple drag and drop. Or if two steps belong together, combine them into one with a single click. When you're ready, export in one click, in your own branding. PDFs for documentation, interactive demos for training, MP4 for onboarding videos. One flow, every format your team needs. Everything stays local. Your data, your choice. Optionally, publish to the FlowShare Portal, where flows stay organized and easy to share with your team or your customers. And when someone has a question, FlowShare Assist answers instantly, right inside the flow. No ticket, no tapping a colleague on the shoulder. FlowShare helps your team capture knowledge, onboard faster, and never explain the same process twice. Start your free trial at getflowshare.com.